Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week we came in and we got the car out back and started to do a little bit of sandblasting, mainly down this side of the car. Well, today we are going to try and get the whole engine bay done. However, we are running out of media again, which is not a big deal. We have a whole bucket full from when we collected this the last time when we did it on the C10 frame, which I don't know if you guys can see over there. The grass is actually really green. That over there, that's from the paint booth. Don't worry about that. So, because this hopefully will be over there in a couple months once I get all the rust repair done. So there is a lot of rust repair on this. But again, what I see here, it's not as bad as the C10 was. The C10 needed the roof removed. It needed pretty much all new floor pans. This thing, we need some rockers. We need some floor pans. We need just simple rust repair around the vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and open up and find some more rust. We're going to do it in the engine bay today. So let's go ahead and get right into it and start sandblasting. All right, so we got all of the sandblasting media used up today. We got a lot done in the engine bay. It doesn't seem like we have a lot that came out, but a lot did. We did find a little bit more rust on this side, driver's side frame rail. Not too worried about it. Again, it's not as bad as we thought in the past of other vehicle of the C10, which we were able to fix. I think this car is going to be easily fixed with the rust repair by me. That is not going to be difficult. I think this car is going to come right back together as soon as we can. Hopefully this thing is a lot quicker than the C10, maybe not in speed, but in time on the channel. So hopefully there's that. Hopefully we get an update soon on the transmission for the 454, because I'd love to get that thing back and back on the channel, back in the garage, so that I can put that trans in and wrap up that truck and work on some touch-up on that truck. That would be so cool to get that thing squared away and get that ready for C10 Nationals, because we are definitely, in talking to everything, we are going back to C10 Nationals. Now, I know this is a Datsun video, so if you don't know about C10 Nationals, it's a huge show for just Chevy pickups. We're not Chevy people here. We are car people, so we love Datsuns. We love anything, so don't get us wrong there. Now, I do want to take a second and thank everyone in the past week or past 2 weeks who has viewed our channel. We are over 1 million views for this year. We have one video that did go over 1 million. We're catching up to 2 million for the total on this channel this year. It's only June of 2026. This has been an incredible year. Thanks to you guys. We really appreciate it. We hope you guys stick around for more C10, more 454, and more Datsun and 300ZX action on the channel. We may have some friends pop in and work on their cars in between some of the projects, but that'll be coming up. But that is a wrap for this week's video. We will see you guys next week when we continue trying to sandblast this Datsun.